Hey guys, and welcome to another video where today I am playing Booga Booga. Hey look! My brothers do change the point. Fun to know. Yes. Okay. What are the chests I have? One pleb. I got some stuff to make. I have stuff that I can make. And one I'm going to make a raft so I can get a shark. Now I will ride my shark and destroy my own raft. Logs, give me the logs. I want them logs. Now, now
my clothes changed.
Yeah, now I just need to find them. My brothers are anywhere, they are. Who is that? Yes, okay, you should go to the chest thing.
Where?
On the side of the screen.
Oh, I see.
Go to chests. They made another way up. Yes. My domestic boy will have to wait for me. In the meantime, I will get over to where my birds are. Another way up. Hit it with the rock.
Ah.
That is how you're supposed to open it. Now I need to climb up here because that failed. Get out. Get up! Yes. I made it up this far. Now. Wait a minute, is there even any other way up? You need to get everything.
There's so much.
Yes, just get everything. F. You press F for this stuff. And then make a raft and sail all the way to us. Yum. Okay. I guess the only way... Ah! My domestic boy was... Oh, there's a raft right there. No! No. Evil raft. Is that a blood chest? Ah! Smack it. No, it's trade chest. Leaves do not float much. Now where is my shark? My shark. There it is. Little shark.
Oh, what's in my bag? It's full.
Do you have 2 logs to make a raft?
I think I do.
Can you make a raft?
Yes.
You can? Good. Make a raft and sail to the island with the giant floating thing on it.
Sounds good.
And you will be with us. What do you think the scariest thing is
Wow.
on 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 something like this?
The
Someone who has like literally barely anything, and they're attacking, and they're coming, who has no armor on, and they're coming at you with a club to attack you when you have like this amazing stuff on, or when you have nothing on and someone with amazing stuff is trying to get you. Hey, wait a minute. I wonder if I could sail my ship up here.
Oh, I suppose being attacked from anything. Probably.
Okay.
How do I turn the raft?
Fish trap. Ah! I fell. Good. I fell.
So how do I rotate my raft?
Your raft?
Yeah.
Don't, hold down right, click and turn your mouse.
Ah.
As you wish.
Okay.
And that's how to do it in first person. It's easier in not first person.
You mean third person?
Yeah. I made it up here.
Oh, you climb into one.
Now, just to make it up, I need some more fish traps. Fish trap. The other fish trap. So close. I need another morsel. Another raw morsel. But I don't have a raw morsel. I only have cooked ones. Dang it. How do I get up? Wait, can I build a dock? No. Chest. A chest.
Oh, a snail.
Snail.
A big stone shell.
A big stone shell. Did you make it to the center island?
I think I did. The biggest one?
Yeah, the one with the giant floating island on it. Above it.
I feel like that's yeah. This one?
It should be close.
I feel like
Dang it. No.
Did you fall down?
Yep. That's like the worst bit about this.
Yeah.
Getting up is a task to see if you are worthy to be up there in and of itself. Yes, I made it up. Now to get up here. Oh, come on. Now, that is helping a lot. No. No. Yes! I made it! I made it!
Way to go.
I made it! That's a lot of help it has. And that was extremely hard. Whee! Now you just fall down. Yay! I made it. Actually, I think it's more of that way.
This way?
Yeah.
Off I go.
Smack. Okay. That is a mammoth.
That's horrifying.
And I think he is trying to attack you or something.
He is.
Gold! No. I will has all the gold that is in this. If you had some more iron, you would be able to make a saddle and get a shark to bring you places, and that would make it a lot easier to
much
go
faster.
places. Yes, muches faster. My gold, my gold, my gold, do 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 do. Need to get some more of my gold. Oh, look, a giant stone. And then, for the next bit, to get iron. Iron. Do I have any coal? Yes, I have coal. Steel. I need a bunch of steel now. Wait a minute, I have steel. Wait a minute. No, I should just... Okay. Steel stuff. Steel pants. Now that I have steel pants, I must put on my steel pants. And then... Now. Now getting this distance. Whoa.
I've been going the direction you said, and now I see.
Is there a render distance?
Huh?
I think you're coming up to the end of to the edge of the world.
Oh, well, never mind. Maybe I'll
Get back up. All the way up. Like this. No! No! I just barely survived. No! I fell all the way down. Okay, Sharky. Sharky, 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 Sharky. No. I need to eat. No, cooked meat.
Can I eat snail? Oh my gosh.
No! Apple. Yum, yum, apple. Now, domestic boy, let me ride it. Let me ride my shark. Sharky. 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 Let's see. Sad. Come on. Now. What do I do with the net? What do I do with the net? Whoa! Okay, guys, so this is going to be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see y'all later.